it is. The blizzard of 2016. It has officially arrived. This is the snow at my door and on the patio and on everybody's doors. It's 6:30 in the morning, and I wanted to videotape it. The wind is really kicking up bad. We probably have a foot of snow already because look at that. That's the wind. It's insane. I don't even know if the roads are plowed. They came in and tried to shovel and everything at 3 o'clock this morning. As you can see, it's all done. I mean, there's no pathway aside from what the wind did. I will see you later on. Okay, the moron's back. Shoveled the entire front patio. Woke me up. It's 7 o'clock this morning. Right now it's almost 8 o'clock, but okay, look. It's crazy. I mean, they're just idiots. Who does that in a friggin' blizzard? I'm so tired of being woken up all night long. I was ready to kill the guy doing the freaking patio. Freaking idiot. Taking his good old sweet time, too. I came out in 2 seconds with my broom and cleared all this off here. Duh. Oh my god, I can't stand them. But anyhow, here's the beautiful snow. And they got a snow plow. What is that? A snow blower? It's hysterical. Absolutely hysterical. Oh, I'll be back later.